Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, is NIO down? I haven't actually. I was just looking at something, but Tesla was down. I sold all my NIO yesterday. Pretty much NIO XPEV. I wouldn't say it's really down though. I think NIO does have another catalyst. Like they have a NIO day on 9th, I think. So still, as long as you hold a 52 level, should be good. But if we go below, we may actually go down. So we have 50 the next support, and probably gonna see 43 as well. I mean, after 46 and 43, if it keep going down. But one thing is, it was way overextended, right? From 42, we went like up, like almost in 4 sessions. You can see that we really went up. So you gotta know like when to take profit and take profit. Yeah, don't FOMO, Jack. Like if you do that, you probably that's kind of not gonna go well most of the time. Mm-mm-mm. New is like 52, so it's not like. Yeah, Fubo is in high watts. Like looks like so 27. Yeah, once you bridge 30, I think there's gonna be a lot of FOMO on Fubo. It's gonna probably gonna go up massive, massive. So it was almost all-time high. Then it kind of bounced back, but seems like there's some good news. Yeah, I think MU had a bunch of upgrades today and really good. I'm gonna look into so IPOC. We can kind of look into those. Let's look at the MU chart. I think even chart was really good. MU has been getting few upgrades. Okay, that's they literally had yesterday all-time high break and today kind of coming up, and I think they're coming up from the huge base. I definitely like MU here. Yeah, with upgrade and semiconductors, MU is really regarded good. The relativation is quite high. I think it's really good actually. From 42 to saying, oh wow, what a ride. Yeah, MU is actually doing good. Hmm. Yeah, MU looking really nice. As long as it's hold this level 74, 40, 74, 50, I think we're gonna go a lot higher. It just needs to keep, but with the upgrade, that's a good catalyst. But I'm watching I and Fubo. Fubo had the great catalyst. Mm, 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 mm. So Pola IPOC. I have no idea about what is Pola. POLA. Polar power. Okay. Yeah, you can say it has a like a cup, but it's very short time. I would want like really good consolidation, right? It's not much. Very short time, so not a huge point on that. Yeah, but it's clearly uptrend, making higher highs. Kind of making like a triangle to look like this resistance. But if it's past like 654, absolutely that would be really good. But kind of making higher lows, so an uptrend in a short term. I don't know much about it, but fairly small market cap. So RS is pretty good as well. IPOC. I think I am in IPOC. Yeah, we had a huge sell-off yesterday, almost from 17 to 15. Selling off after market too. Really nice base. We kind of went up ham. Let's see how that's gonna pan out, but I wouldn't say really a big drop. We I entered right around the breakout around 13, so still up $2. I think I have a warrant mostly, but let's see how that. Yesterday was kind of like sold off, or everything was selling off, so pretty much. NQUS today is like a lot of uncertainty around the market, so oh, I've been telling Fubo like from last month. You can check it out my TikTok and Twitter. Their link. So um, you can actually get. I think it's still good time to get in our leaps. I think that's what you actually like, right? Fubo calls. Mostly, I have a leap. I don't have a short term call. You can actually do short term call today, I guess, if you want. But mostly, I have a leap. What happened, Fubo? Yeah. Oh yeah, pre-market already up 16%. Wow. Um, yeah, I still have this, but I sold a lot of calls, so uh, I got credit for that. So I don't know why it's not showing, but I got like almost yeah. I think I sold for 1700. I bought back at 135 or something. So my cost basis is literally like 200 or $300 for that. So it's if I sell today, probably it's gonna be free, literally. So, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I think I have the whatever the last was. Like literally, I went to December 17. Mine gonna expire December 17, and I picked 20 call. Yep, I picked 20 calls, which was I paid like 14 or $15. Some people got different, but should be back up. But I rode it till it went to 55. I sold 55 or 60 calls. I paid like 1700 for a month. Yesterday value dropped so much, so I made almost 1000 from there. So that's what I was doing. Today I think they had some good news, so it's coming up. So what else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, you can. Again, it's your call, Victor, right? So I think I believe in IPOC. I think Clover is pretty good. So yeah, the thing is like why you bought it. A lot of people is like you just get it because somebody said, right? If you do that, you lose your money. Believe me, you gotta do your own research. Do a little bit. Again, there's nothing wrong with idea, right? I see something that's great, right? Then you get that idea and apply your own logic, whatnot. Oh yeah, Ivy is all over. Leaps is 1 year plus, right? So it really doesn't matter. Where do you think you again, as I'm saying, Akhil, you just don't choose like randomly, right? Like again, you buy Fubo cause you think it's gonna go up, right? And uh, maybe like whatever your thesis is, right? You can always sell before. You don't have to hold it till expiration, of course. Like if you're profitable, so you could have sold it like when the leap was almost like 150%. I did not sell. I wanted to hold it, but I made money by selling calls. So it's same thing for me. But yeah, I mean, just look at the. I actually have a lot of I mean, a lot of videos on how to choose expirations and how to choose options. Just go to my YouTube channels and videos and browse like maybe choosing strike options. Yeah, I already covered those actually. Yeah, if it's a leap, really doesn't matter. Like leap is 1 year plus, so if you choose like March April, it won't be leap. So at least get 1 year, and other things you look for is basically volume and open interest. That's about it. Mm-mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Today not much action, James. Pretty much. Baba, I won't even. So, cup and handles always look for an uptrend. Baba is clearly in downtrend. So, don't even look at up like cup and handles, whatever, right? Unless it's, and I don't know where you see cup and handle. I don't see in 1 hour. So, definitely it's like, it was even the chart was telling it's gonna go down though. So, head and shoulder kind of making. But yeah, it went dumped, and I wouldn't really get into Baba. It's clearly in downtrend, uh, really massive down. Unless it shows, maybe if it's 174 good support, if it may bounce from there. I mean, there's some support around this 216 level actually from before, which was like hmm, March low, basically April again. I think Baba is a great company, but it's just like nothing working for them right now. So and cup and handles always look for uptrend, like pretty much most of the pattern. Look at the trend, overall trend. If you look at it, it's clearly in downtrend, right? uh, so Tesla is down a little bit, 722, still good. uh June, I sold yesterday. Wow, snow, literally, man. I took some put right here. I just did a spread. I should have done almost half. Wow. I think it was this is just like an IPO price. Huge sell off happening. Okay, square is pretty much. I wanted to sell this yesterday. I was profitable too. Stupid Webull kind of messed up. Wow. Amazon is dumping. Let me actually get some. Jesus Christ. I wanted to get into right around. I even put the order, did not execute. Freaking, I just have just sometimes, and it literally went up. Okay, I'll take some questions. 1K. Yeah, it will get harder if you have like smaller account like 1K. It's just like you need some capital. You usually, if it's way overextended, right? For example, I mean, Tesla is always mostly extended, but you just take profit, right? So, or you raise your stop loss, right? Again, you can have a good, for example, uh, let's say, I got in Tesla. This was one of my best trade. I got in Tesla right here, and I had my stop right around here. Next day it opened here. Great. I moved my stop right here. Next day it gapped up. I moved my stop here. Next day it gapped more up. I stopped here. Then it was kind of consolidating. I had my stop right here. I did not move it, right? Because it was consolidating. And if I got out, it could have just gone down. But even if it does, then I literally went from 200 something to right around like 253, right? That's $50, like almost like in option. That's a lot of like almost 200, 300%. I don't remember what is the percent, but just raise your stop, right? You don't know exactly when it's gonna top. Nobody knows. If somebody knows, he's lying. Nobody knows, right? If he knew, he would be like trillionaire, like whatever, just put everything in that call. So nobody knows the top, but you you basically act of support and resistance, right? This was an all-time high breakout. That's why I entered, right? Now keep raising it. After it went up, huge volume, right? Then see, this was acting as a support, so I raised my stop right here. Now it went up and it went up more, right? Then I kind of put my stop right around here, and I got sold out the very next day right around here. So I took like almost $100. Yeah, I was out right here. So I took almost $100, right? Yeah, I could have, nobody know like this was the top. It could have gone up or down. Nobody knows, right? So that's how you work. uh, and yeah, and none of the trade, like nobody, like all your trades not gonna be winner, right? So just gotta make sure, like if I get out, like if it doesn't work, a lot of times I think I was faked out right here. I think, was it, no, it was around 500. Yeah, I think yeah, this was around 5. Yeah, no, oh no, this was around here, right? Yeah, I got in, call it right here on the first day. I thought it was a breakout, but it kind of faked out. It went down, then I got out again. Just got out. I lost it. I could have hold it, but it could have gone down too. Nobody knows, right? So I did enter the very next day or some things, like when it broke out this one. That's when I wrote. So sometimes you lose, but you just gotta make sure you lose less. You lose 100, you make 300 or 400, right? That's how you, on the long run, you will kind of make money. All right, all right. Uh, Again, so Connor, so if you think about, don't even think about leap, right? You can start with 100, 500, 1000, doesn't matter. A lot of people's like, for example, if you have 1000, great. Get some, maybe try to get some, like every month if you are working, put $100 in, $100 in QQQJ. I think it's pretty cheap right now. I mean, not gonna say cheap, but almost from 25 to 30, right? That's a great. Yeah, I grabbed some at right around 25. Uh, Wish I would have grabbed more, but I grabbed some right around 25, and it's been kind of going up, right around 30 right now. So, yeah, I think this is. We had some pullback, still cheap today, 30. Yeah, get 10 of those or 20 of those for 600. Maybe have cash. Maybe it will go down, average down, right? Nobody knows how it's gonna happen, but get this is index. You are not basically investing in one stock, so there's no risk. It's for long term. Keep adding it. Maybe make a. I actually made a video on kind of how to make a diversified portfolio somewhere. Oh wow, what is that? Add tab to new group. Remove from the group. That's weird. I didn't knew this is something new. The I guess Chrome did, but go here, go here, and I actually made a video on this. Also, if you guys are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. It just helps me. If you have any question, comment in the video. It helps me. And let me see, long term. I think I made long term. Yeah, I have a video about how to set up your long-term portfolio right way. I cover everything, what you should be doing, what not. Just watch through it, get the idea, and maybe just do your own research and decide. And yeah, those are the few, but you can actually go and search and do that. Ooh. Sure, I'll make a stop loss minimum. For a spirit, literally they don't have an option, but for option I will kind of make one. Okay, that's awesome, Connor. So keep adding it, right? Index is great way. Maybe just add some SPY or QQQ or some others. Maybe if you like EV, maybe some EV. Did a lot of things. Watch through that video. I covered a lot of those, but I'll make video for Robinhood users and upload today. Pre-market NIO. NIO is a little bit down. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, usually but again, don't look for cheap, right? Doesn't matter. Like if you get percentage, like if this is 5% up or something else 5% up, it's the same thing. Really doesn't matter. Um, so I'm gonna so towards the finally Tesla is in the profitable zone, I guess. Mm, 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 mm. Crowd is there. Stone. Jeez. Sierra and fastly. Okay. Yeah, I really don't have anything in mind for the really cheap one, but let me look at Fubo price action. So you gotta look at the trend. Like maybe if it's bridge right now, it's kind of consolidating. Uh, some red definitely not gonna do a call. A lot of people's had mentality is like, oh, it's cheaper, so if it goes, but you don't know, it may go down, 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 right? It could be just to sell the news. So really nothing. I don't see any major like anything major. Uh, Maybe add some apps, I guess, but nothing good I see. Baba is up nicely. Wow, Fubo is selling off. Yes, it is. That's why it's kind of sold off. DKNG. Uh, DKNG. Actually, DKNG is right on support if you look at that. If it doesn't go, you can actually swing for it. So can see 50-55. Kind of reversal. I like it for a swing, maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna set my alert. Look, July tried to make me get out the keys.
What's up,
I
dog?
didn't make you do anything.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of the queues right here because it hit the top.
What's up, doggy?
What's good, RJ? I might not get out the queue. Just holding. Let me put an alert a little bit below my zone. So the queues break 308. It keeps hitting my alert, but it's holding. Play the volatility, like July always says.
All right, let's see where we at. Look at the.
Hey, that better be a Sydney Triangle on Apple. Wait, when is that event? When is that date?
I don't know. I'm trying to get an AMD. Okay. I don't know. It's a good question.
Wait, I thought you wanted AMD to pull back.
Yeah, me too.
What the?
It still
So we
can't.
wait for a pullback.
Dude, just bang this shit.
Face it. I'm gonna go in.
This is only day 2 of 2021.
Yeah,
Exactly.
That's right.
Day 2.
Just calm. Man, I should have bought it. I should have bought an AMD. God damn it.
Did I tell you? And you telling me to y'all hear that? Did I tell you? I plainly said. Did I not say?
Ooh, look at Apple Go too. Ooh.
Oh my god! I told you, Apple. Did I not say 2 minutes ago, July? We should get an AMT. And this man's like, "Oh, Doug, you're always buying the tops."
Oh my
like,
gosh.
No, July. I play aggressive.
You play aggressive.
That's why you play aggressive, July. Play the momentum.
You want to play aggressive in COD. Don't do it.
Oh my! Didn't I carry you? I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. Play aggressive on COD.
Hey, hold on. It's just AMD will come down to consolidate.
You're right. Because it's usually when we pop this hard, this aggressive early, we usually pull back.
Look at what it did yesterday. The thing popped and it dropped.
Yeah, I think we're about to drop right now. So I'm about to exit out the queues. I made $73.
Wait a minute. You got into AMD?
No, I got in the QQQ yesterday, but I'm about to exit.
Oh, gotcha.
Usually, because when we pop up this hard in the morning, we sell off after hours, and I think that's gonna happen. I think
it's gonna be a morning high and afternoon low.
Because who's gonna hold through this election? Only
Look at
dumb people.
Look at Docu.
People who know.
228. Yesterday was a 229 now.
Because didn't Docu have that upgrade today to like to $300? That's what I posted yesterday.
Yeah, I think something. Yeah, I actually had a limit order yesterday. Did not freaking execute. Like right around 18 or something. Oh man, I should have just did the market order. I kind of missed it.
So you choked.
Yeah, I choked.
Dougie, he's so negative.
Yeah.
It's okay, RJ.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. But man, it's like $9. I mean, already.
Yeah, no, I missed out on Fubo yesterday because I saw it coming up, but so I was like, this is the bottom, but I never like pressed enter, And next thing you know, new comes out.
Watch AMD here. Do we
It's
fill
kinda
the scout
coming-
wick at the bottom
coming up.
on the 5 minute?
I think it's gonna drop. I don't think it's ready yet. Because unless we break over 92, 95, that's when we're gonna put that scout wick to the top.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think, yeah.
We have to break these candles right here on the higher time frames. But I sold Apple.
Yeah, I still got my spreads. One.
Yeah, I'm done for today. Who's chatting already? Oh, I'm reading July's chat.
That's awesome.
Amazon's filling this scout wick.
To the bottom?
No, the top.
Hey, can we see your chart? Oh, so y'all say I'm too loud, and now y'all want to see my chart on Amazon. Y'all want to see my
Oh,
chart.
yeah, Amazon just broke through.
I hope Tay got in, bro. I told him the 618 get in at 3178. If he didn't get in, I'm gonna have to fight that man.
3201. My gosh, yes, let's go.
I swear, July, if he didn't take it, you better see. Tay may be 611. I'll just get a ladder.
Go. Come on, Amazon.
Nah, I feel like everyone's gonna drop.
It may fake us out.
Snow went up $8. This is a fake out.
On Snow?
It still needs to fill the scout wick. I don't know, did it fill that scout wick to the downside?
Snow?
Yeah.
I know they have a lockup period, I think this Friday, but it's
that's right.
Yeah,
it's at resistance right now. So it needs to break over 288.27 in order to go higher. But I don't think it is. Or this could be a head is making. The 2-hour time frame is so underrated.
Look at daily, man.
On Amazon?
That's the inverted head and shoulders on Mara.
Oh, Mara.
Now, crypto might pop, depending on who.
Yeah, NIO is back up. I think tech is kind of looking pretty decent. Like everything is coming back up. Yeah, as long as it's hold 52, I think you're fine. It can actually come back. I mean, really nice. But if it's below 50, then you gotta be a little bit careful. But looks good so far. But overall, looks like a pretty decent day. But nothing, not crazy action. Yeah, Tesla is down slightly. So Zoom and Fastly. But other than that, I think it's like most of the tech, Baba, pretty much even Fiber. Fiber always come back. So 93 to 205. That's a good one. Fiber is up. Yeah. Cool, guys. That's it for today. Have a great one. I will see you guys sometime.